TikTok filters pick my Halloween makeup. Let's do it. First up is eyebrows. Let's see what it picks for us. Okay. I'm just using a styling wax to brush my brow hairs upwards. Not sure if I've got the shape right. I tried to make it a bit more rounded at the front and a bit more full and thicker. Eyeliner next. Come on. Lightning bolts, that's actually not bad. Could be worse. I attempted to draw out the shape. I know it's probably not the same, but we're just going to go with it. So I've got my shape and I'm just going to start filling it in. I'm really not happy with the shape. I'm so tempted to wipe it off, but let's move on. Time for the best part, spooky freckles. Come on, please be a good one. Let's add some of that grey right here, blending it out with an eyeshadow brush. It took me a while, but I managed to mark out the skull and crossbone shape. Now adding the black detailing. It's actually looking really good so far. Doing a bit of shading with the light grey. It's only right to do black and white lipstick because of the theme of this makeup, so let's go. Outlining my lips first. Who's ready to see the end result? Okay, here's the end result. I added some lenses to make this look more spooky, and I outlined the lightning bolt liner in white so it stood out a lot more. Be honest, what do you guys think? Is this a cute or a fail? If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thanks for watching.